All right, let's go ahead and jump into the three-step process that I've created for recruiters. Okay, so I own an executive retained search firm right now. Since putting this process in place with my staffing firm, within 2 weeks I had a full calendar. But most importantly, I was able to secure two job orders totaling $138,500, which I'll show you. I'll give you social proof of that. But the problem with LinkedIn is over the past 5 years or so, there's been so many third-party companies that have come in, integrate it with LinkedIn, and are providing or selling services where you can set up automated sequences that trickle over, a few weeks, a few months, and they pitch the fact that it makes your life easy. It works on autopilot, so you can do other things. I know you've all seen this, and they just don't work anymore. It's old hat strategies. The secret's out. Hiring managers see this, they run for the hills. Candidates, the right candidates, A player candidates, just get annoyed by it. And so you've got to change the way you're doing business on LinkedIn. Look, LinkedIn is still an amazing tool. It's the number one B2B platform that we can use to make millions. No doubt about it. Over 800 million users are on here. Depending on what niche you're currently in recruiting, I would pretty much guarantee that over 90% of your decision makers are right here in front of us. But you just got to use it the right way. You got to get rid of the automation mindset. So with this three-step process, you're able to scale and you're able to add personalization, which is what's lacking. So it starts here with your LinkedIn profile. Okay. Are you optimized? Are you speaking to your customer? Right. So this headline is very critical. And I would challenge you to look at it and say, put yourself in your prospect's shoes. If they see a message from you, they're going to go to your site, they're going to check out who you are. How does your picture look? Did you spend a little money to have a professional photo? That's important. People are visual and people have ADD. So they're going to spend maybe 3 seconds here, maybe five, and they want to read and see exactly what you do. So I put some very, keywords in here. I work in the wireless telecom industry. So IoT, wireless. I really want to find C-level roles. I want to make the big ticket item. That's what I'm looking for. So we look at that first. We help you optimize your LinkedIn profile. And then from there, we go into Sales Navigator. So you would have to have a Sales Navigator account. I think it costs like $75 a month. It's worth every penny. And we create very sophisticated, targeted Boolean searches on your target audience, whether you're looking for candidates, A player candidates, or hiring managers. We do the work for you. We have customer care team that understands your target audience, and we put together these searches for you. Okay, so here's an example of one of my searches that is working really well. And let it load up here. All right. So I'm going after C-level people, and everyone here is pretty much C-level. All right. So once we have these targets, we then set up a webhook and we share a Google Doc with you that looks like this. All right. So every day you come to work, you and your sales teams and your recruiters will have this in front of you. There's no excuse. You have your flight plan, you have your structure, and you know exactly what to do. So these are all the prospects that are coming in from here automatically. We dump them into a spreadsheet for you, we categorize them. And what you have to do is start reaching out to these targets. These people are raising their hand, they're connecting with you, they're typing messages back to you saying, "Yeah, let's connect." And they're ready to hear from you. Okay, here it is. So if you don't do the work, this system is not going to work, bottom line. But if you do the work, it yields results. And again, I don't believe in automation. I really don't. Everyone pitches that, "Oh, this will work on autopilot 24/7 while you're sleeping, you're making money." Bullshit, all right? If you want to go buy a lottery ticket, go buy a lottery ticket. Good luck. You're not going to win. So you have to do the work. So I carve out 10 to 12 videos every day, personalized video. Let me give you an example of what these videos look like. So here's Chris McDonough. I shot a video for him. You're able to categorize your steps in here. This integrates with the CRM, any CRM as well. So let's go into Chris's profile. All right. So what I do is kind of look at the prospect's LinkedIn profile, get a taste for what they do real quick. I don't spend too much time here. I'm not a believer in paralysis by analysis, but he worked at Verizon. He was a manager. He's a business owner right now. I want to talk to this guy. I want to show him what I can do for him when it comes to finding A player candidates. And so I shot a video for him, a one-on-one personalized video that looks like this. This is what Chris sees. All right. He gets this video from me waving my hand for Chris at Premier Wireless. It's impossible not to want to open this and see who the heck is this guy that just shot a video for me. Let me give you a taste of what these videos look like. Extremely personalized. I brand my company, which you can do as well. It takes 5 seconds. I put the 5G theme behind it because that's my niche in staffing. I have call to actions right here. This is like a mini landing page, a mini sales funnel that you can bring your hiring managers and prospect and candidates through. My automated calendar is right here to make it easy to book a strategy call with me. They can go to view case studies at my website, give you a taste of that. These are recent case studies of people that A-player candidates that we found for our clients. Very powerful. They can do their due diligence on me, learn more about me, or book an appointment. And here's what the video looks like. Boom, that's it, guys. This is about a minute long. I usually do them like 45 seconds, and I get responses. And let me show you all the responses that I get from these videos, which kill cold email, cold calling, and like a dumb message on LinkedIn where you're like, "Hey, I would love to connect with you. Hey, I'm in staffing. What can I find you somebody?" People don't respond to that. You have to be different. You have to think outside the box. And these videos is where it's at. The conversions are incredible. Take a look. Awesome. All right. So now, once you have these leads on this Google spreadsheet where we set up a webhook, they come in, we then start categorizing and tagging all these as warm or hot leads. You do that. You let us know if these are hot leads or warm leads as you speak to them, as they get back to you. And then we have a customer care team that takes these leads and imports them into a CRM that we'll create for you. So if you don't have a CRM right now, we'll do it for you. We put all the leads in here. You're now able to, one click of a button, you can send bulk emails out, SMS, text as well. And we help you create what I call marketing assets, like in your toolbox, to send very informative content out to these prospects. You know, the cadence can be up to you, once a week, once every 2 weeks, depends on your target audience. You don't want to annoy them. Bottom line is your nurture campaign is right here. This is often neglected. So yeah, we're great at lead generation. We can give you all the quality leads that you want every day if that excites you. But really, what do you do with these leads? Like, you have to cultivate the relationship, and that's where things are lost in that process, right? People aren't cultivating the relationship. They aren't seeing it through. They aren't providing value, and we help you do that. So we help you create like what I call mini landing pages that are very specific to your audience. Here's an example of one that I created. Again, took me maybe 30 minutes to create this. I did a video, and I'm talking to hiring managers about, look, are you tired of hiring B and C level candidates? I'm sure you are, right? So we only find A player candidates, and here's why. And then I shoot a video right here explaining. Guys, this takes like no time. We can help you with this, or you can take a video class, which I did one day for 2 hours, and I learned how to edit my own videos, right? So very cool stuff here. You got to have these type of landing pages. Again, we put our clients in here, testimonials, and then we have our calendar for them, for the hiring manager to book with us. And I get bookings with this. This works. Guarantee you're not doing this kind of stuff. And I keep carving out little landing pages on various topics within my staffing niche. Again, why influencers are ideal to increasing market share. If you guys, if you do this work and you get it done, this pays you for life. All right. So this is the kind of stuff that we can help you with. We can do for you, do with you. Um, I would encourage you to book the discovery call with me. I can show you more details behind this phenomenal system. And this is literally a multi-million dollar process and sales system if you use it the right way, if you work it, if you're not lazy, if you get up and you do the work, and it's all right here for you. Here's your target audience. All right, guys, get after it.